Novocaine has ECM. Oh, come on, pop up again. Do it. Do it now. They may be going tunnel and or B3, guys.
Alright, just get firing lines on the tunnel.
What about water? Does anyone have line?
I have no idea what you just said. I'm gonna catch that. Who's going into the tunnel? Why are you going into the tunnel? No, don't go in the tunnel. Yeah, it looks like they're hedged up B3, guys. B3. They're all in B3. Except a Raven 4X. And I'm getting stuck everywhere. Contacts, Charlie 3. Let's swing well, my back has armor left, sort of. Oop. Joink.
JVs.
Oh, didn't mean to do that. It's down. So Victor. We have a few contacts pushing water. Delta 3. Hey Nova, I'm with you. Go for that torso. He's XL. Oh, it's our entire package is coming this way. Nova, 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 Nova. Nova, watch your right. Battlemaster. That's XL. Let's go for it. Come on. They're swinging to our left. We need to be careful with this. No. UAV from me. UAV. Sorry.
Stormcrow coming in, Kilo.
Roger, I'm swinging left. Those Ravens just take a hit and they're like, meh, meh. Whoop. Alright, watch my heat. Chain fire a little bit. Looks like we're collapsing on them. Snatch that. not shoot friendly. And go to collapse in on that.
Target destroyed.
There we go. First match. Alright, does look like Impy, there is a transformer that's blown, so it doesn't look like he's going to be back anytime soon. Good game, Novocaine. Now, again, this is sort of the go-to build